Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning. Not morning anymore actually, sorry. We're climbing up. Actually we are lost. Last night we kind of got lost and ran out of water. We're walking through the valleys of this village. I think it's called Tashida. August 29, 2020. Day lost count. Eve of Dan's birthday. Waking up in the valleys of some mountains near Toubkal. Today we're moving to, inshallah, we're trying to go to Lazzib Libkem.
After
Amsouzart.
After
Lagdifne.
After
Rafej. And then after Rafej, Toubkal, inshallah. And yeah, making breakfast now. Some tajine is going on. Coffee is on the way. Some breakfast from the cafe. A nice cafe lady. We're staying here. This is the cafe. The family is here. They gave us some bread. We're gonna boil some eggs to bring up to the mountain. Packing up our stuff a bit. And yeah, let's go, inshallah. About 3:20 in the afternoon. We are making our way to Lazzib Libkem, a place where there's a lot of sheep and stuff. From there, we'll see where we move. It's 6 now, and we are about 3 hours into our climb. We're doing very good. Look at that. This is the distance we've covered. That's amazing. This is the new catchphrase these few days. It's amazing.
No plan, no plan, no plan, no plan. Saïd.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
احنا وصلنا لعزيب ليكم باذن الله عز وجل. كنشكر بزاف الدراري اللي ساعدوني بزاف، جين ودانيال هما اللي حفزوني. ما كنت غنطلع، ما نكذبش عليك، راه عييت. رجعنا درنا العطش، ما ديناش معنا الماء، و يعني كان واحد الخطا شويه في التنظيم وداك الشيء. الحمد لله الصباح عاود ثاني وعاودنا طلعنا. حنا الحمد لله دابا راه كنطلعوا على العزيب اللي كنت، وان شاء الله غيكون طراجيم مليح ومقرقع القرقاع سيدي. تحيه لاحسن جيل في العالم،
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
But it's our first base camp for where we stay tonight. Not sure if you can see it clearly, but you can see it over there. There's Lazzib Libkem. So the sun has gone down, and we are at this place where there are lots of goats here, free roaming and grazing the grass. I see the moon, and we managed to find a spot to set up camp with good fresh water flowing everywhere. I see lots of sheep here. What's it? Oh, lots of them. Lazib Libkem. They're all just chilling by the rocks. See, the whole family of them. I'm not sure if you can see in the dark, but it's a lot of them. Sounds like a boy screaming something. Yo, what's up?
Yo!
What's up,
What
man?
a day it's been! What a day!
We are now in our tent, warm and cozy. Better than our first night.
Very
Alhamdulillah.
cozy and it's amazingly warm tonight. I'm in a t-shirt.
Yeah. It's about 9. So we started about 3:30. Now it's 9. We set up our camp, our tent, ready to eat and sleep. Yeah, so tomorrow, inshallah,
Early rise. What are we gonna do first thing in the morning?
wake up.
Wake up.
Inshallah.
But before we wake up.
Inshallah. Alright, subhanallah. See you guys tomorrow. It's 4 a.m. We're 4:30. So today our goal is to go to the second village, which is Amsouzart. Amsouzart, which is along the trail just behind this valley. Inshallah, we arrive there. After that, we'll move on to Toubkal, which is just behind there. We're going to the next place, next village called Amsouzart. Oh, so much water, so much fresh water. You see. This is amazing! Oh my god! Whoa! Allah Allah! Wow! Look what we found! Eh?
السلام عليكم. حنا متواجدين دابا في امسوزات. هاد الشلال ما بعيدش عليها بزاف كما كتشوفوا معايا دابا. المنظر راه بشكال عجيب يا سلام. اول تجي بغا يضرب واحد العومه هو ودانيال. انا خويا ما قديش نعوم، ضربت 7 شتيه ما قديش نعوم. السبار هضره ما قديش نعوم، عيب عليه واخا العومه واعره ما قديش نعوم، فهمتي.
Wow! Look at that inferno plane!
جينواو 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 دنفل جينواو.
مالك كتجي؟ مالك؟
بزاف. So we found the waterfall instead of Amsouzart, the village Amsouzart. But it turns out that we need to climb over the waterfall. So now we are.
يا حبيب وريد اسكا يا حبيب وريد اسكا يا حبيب وريد اسكا يا حبيب وريد اسكا هيك كلنا حسيديستا هيك كلنا حسيديستا غيادي يخشنا غيادي يشقر غيادي يخشنا غيادي يشقر غيادي يخشنا غيادي يشقر اي غيادي يخشنا غيادي يشقر إنا يا حبيب وريد اسكا إنا يا حبيب وريد اسكا هكا كلنا حسيديستا هكا كلنا حسيديستا غيادي يخشنا غيادي يشقر غيادي يخشنا غيادي يشقر
These are the houses of people here in Amsouzart. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This is Amsouzart. Amsouzart.
يكون في امسوزات منطقة واعرة فيها فيها الخيال العلمي اشدي في ذلك.
السلام عليكم. Houses of Amsouzart, very nice, very natural place where you find walnuts, almonds, blackberries everywhere, apples, tomatoes, chickens, roosters. Amsouzart. Amsouzart.
جي طاجين جي ساندويش حمام. ولكن الحمام ما بغاوش يخلونا ندخلوا للحمام، ما عرفت علاش، قال لك كورونا ولا ما عرفت. خايفين من كورونا.
الله يعاون بسلامة. شكرا بزاف Amsouzart.
So we now have we came here looking to change some cash and we got another problem. They're now looking for passports and people are giving out. I'm not actually too sure what's going on. I'm going to ask Zachariah when he's off the phone.
Something wrong. They need all the information. Any tourist coming here, they need the information about authority. You know that. It's necessary. You don't need to give information, huh? So? The authority, you know, the local authority need information. لا ما بغاش ما لا لا ما بغاش لا كذبت انت وش اللي قال هضرت معاه فهو اللي قال لك لا انا هضرت معاه وكيطر بحال غنضربو انا جمال واش سربا خيرين انا فهمتك Why you refused you to give us information? Why?
No, I don't like your tone of talking to me.
Sorry?
Your tone is not nice.
Yeah.
It's not nice at all. This is not the way I talk to Moroccan. In my English, it's not like this.
I told you he didn't understand.
It's okay.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. You can go outside because this is my local, yeah? You can say outside, yeah? Okay. Because this is my local, I thought what in me. Okay? Good.
صافي الحريرة حلوة مغربية واتاي حلو هاد الحريرة بالحلبة بالحلبة بصحتكم ودات بصحتك دانيال
Moroccan kindness.
مروكان تهلاو فينا الناس بزاف الناس فيهم